We're troubleshooting a little recreational train track, and there's sensors here that tells the railroad crossing sign to go up and down, and that's what this is. And what it does is it has a proximity detector. This is usually mounted to the train, and it goes across the top of it and trips momentarily to give you a shorted condition, which right now I have it wired to the wires that go to that sensor. So this sensor's bad. It's showing that it's shorted when it's supposed to be opened until you pass across top of it with the magnet. And I will go over and show you one that's working so you can see how it should work.
Please like this video right now. You need to subscribe to this channel. I want you to comment down below. Do it or I'll causing chaos.
Okay, now we're at the other end. This is the end of the track where the gate's supposed to close when the train comes across it. And hopefully you can see the two gate poles there. So to show you what I'm talking about, we are connected to the sensor. Here is the prox magnet. We should see the condition changed. It goes across the top of it. See how we're going to 300 ohms? Back to wide open. Oh, this one's acting flaky too. There's 180. So it kind of depends on how far away you are. But the point is, it should go to some shorted condition. And then, now this sensor's bad too. Wow. Okay, well, we've somewhat seen it work. How it's supposed to. It's supposed to short. Similar to that. Of course, we can't be hitting it because then that wouldn't work. So it has to be above it a little bit. And then go back to open. That's how it should work. So it looks like we've got two bad sensors on this train.
Hello! I'm Nibbles, the electrical gremlin, with Automation Academy and the PLC Tech. If you don't find me handsome, maybe you will find me helpful.
All right, so this is the control box for the railroad crossings. I just want to give you a little look in there. This power supply is buzzing like crazy. Need to replace it, but the voltage is okay on it. We went through everything else. In fact, last year we replaced the PLC because it had water damage because the door wasn't shutting. So we'll get some parts and we'll finish this video.
And that is all the news for tonight. This is Nibbles signing off. Remember to stay green and keep causing chaos.